Can you be a hacker without learning programming? Firstly, you need to know exactly what you want to do in hacking. I mean, what you want to hack, as everything is independent of anything. Then, secondly, you need to learn basics of hacking. Try using third-party tools, that is, hacking with softwares, then try to figure out how those softwares work. Trust me, it will help a lot. Then move on to an operating system named as Kali Linux or Parrot OS. I am currently using Parrot OS and can say that in the field of hacking, it is the best. I literally mean the best operating system ever. It has loads of tools pre-installed to help you out. For example, Metasploit and Nmap. Now, if you are used to it, then you must try learning programming languages. Start with C or C++ as they are comparatively easy. Then move on to Java and finally to Python, which is the most advanced and awesome language but extremely tough on the other hand. You can find many tutorials on the internet. So in my point of view, coding is as important as using nice system and equally as important as having knowledge of exploits, etc. You will observe while on his road that all the factors play an important role in the pathway.